The live lecture feature in LMS allows the teacher to create a virtual classroom. It enables teachers to create a teaching-learning environment where students can interact, communicate, and engage with learning resources by just going live for a lecture. The key distinction of this feature is that it makes long-distance learning possible. This feature allows multiple users to be connected at the same time through the internet, which allows users to virtually participate from anywhere. Now, let us see how the live lecture feature actually works. Enter your login credentials. Select LMS from the teacher workspace. From the course library, select the class and grade for which you want to go live. You will be directed to the course summary. Go to course details and select the session. Click on Live Lecture to start your live session. Once the teacher goes live, students receive a notification for the live lecture. Teachers can also see a list of all the students who have joined the lecture. The live lecture is automatically recorded, and if a student has missed the live lecture, he can play the recorded lecture. That's how easy it is to use the live lecture feature in LMS.